Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to jump right into this. I am doing a braid out on blown out hair. This is my first blowout of 2020, and if you guys did not see the video on how I actually blow dried my natural hair, it will be linked above and also in the description down below. So for starters, I'm just putting my hair into sections and starting off with a medium sized section using the Design Essentials almond and avocado mousse, and this is the only product, mainly styling product, that I'm going to be using for this style. So I just take about 2 or 3 pumps and then apply it to the section and then braid as I would normally. I know you guys have seen me do different types of braid outs on my channel and just braid outs in general on my natural hair, but I want to show you guys what it looked like on blown out hair, since I never actually styled my hair on blow dried hair. Anytime I blow dry my hair, I usually just go ahead and straighten it. So I really want to try and actually do a style I would normally do in my hair's fully natural state and see how it would come out. So once I get to the end of the braid, I take a little more of the styling foam and add it to the ends just to twirl them and give them a little curl, because you don't want just plain straight ends when you do any type of braid out or twist out or anything, especially on blown out hair. You don't want those ends to just kind of be dead. You want them to still curl, so it gives you nice definition. It also makes the style last a lot longer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through the rest of my hair and then come back for the takedown of the braids.
Close to $750,000.
One machine cost.
He's married from right now.
Wow. Are you recording?
Yeah, I am.
This machine here
Alright, so this is the next morning. My hair did not take long to dry at all since it was already blow dried, and I only used the styling foam as my product. I just put some oil on my hands to take the braids down just to reduce any frizz and keep a nice shine to my hair. This was my first time using any product from Design Essentials, and I really like this foam in my hair. It really gave a nice definition and shine to my hair. It's super lightweight and it was able to give my hair a really nice hold and lots of volume that I was really looking forward to in this style. So yeah, I'm just unraveling my braids as I would normally, and I'm just gonna kind of fly through this process again because you guys have seen me do this plenty of times. If you haven't, I do have videos linked down below for you guys to see. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed through this and come back when I'm finished. So this is what my hair is looking like when the braids are all out, and you guys can see the amount of shine and definition my hair has. But of course, you guys know I gotta pick it out and fluff it out. So this is what it looks like at its like max volume without getting rid of too much definition and stuff, and I absolutely love the way my hair turned out. It looks super cute. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.